Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Your Reviews. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing as we unveil the top 5 best 3D printers you can buy this year. But before we delve into these impressive machines, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest in technology and innovation. And of course, if you find this video helpful, show some love by smashing that like button. Now, let's embark on a journey through the top 5 3D printers that are set to redefine your printing experience in the most extraordinary ways. At the 5th spot, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. This 3D printer is a speed demon, boasting a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second. What sets it apart is the one-click fully auto printing system, ensuring a perfect first layer every time. The quick detachable 280 Celsius direct extruder, coupled with auxiliary chamber cooling, results in precise and consistent extrusion, delivering smooth and blur-free prints. The built-in chamber camera allows for remote monitoring, and the automatic shutdown feature adds an eco-friendly touch, preventing unnecessary energy waste. Next up, the Snapmaker 2.0 250T takes the 4th position with its 3-in-1 innovation. This modular printer goes beyond traditional 3D printing, offering laser engraving and CNC carving capabilities. With a substantial build volume of 230 by 250 by 235 millimeters, it provides ample space for your creative endeavors. The CAN bus technology ensures efficient and stable data transmission, and the all-metal frame guarantees durability and high performance. The custom 3-in-1 software, Snapmaker Luban, supports various features like power loss recovery and multi-object processing. In the 3rd spot, the Longer LK5 Pro brings a combination of a larger build volume and fast printing speeds. Boasting a printing speed of 180 millimeters per second, it surpasses industry standards. The stable triangular structure minimizes vibrations, enhancing the precision of your prints. With an ultra-silent TMC 2209 driver and an open-source motherboard, this 3D printer provides a quiet and customizable printing experience. The filament exhaustion detection and Resin printing function add practical touch, saving both time and material. Taking the 2nd spot, the official Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo impresses with its easy assembly, thanks to being pre-installed in just 3 steps. The CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling feature, the 16-point automatic bed leveling, eliminates the hassle of manual leveling. The brand new 4.3-inch UI user interface includes a model preview function, making it easier to observe the printing progress. The addition of a PC spring steel magnetic build plate provides excellent adhesion for filament while allowing for easy model removal. And now, claiming the top spot is the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D printer. This powerhouse introduces a groundbreaking 8K resolution, enabling the creation of larger, incredibly detailed models. With a 10-inch LCD screen and dual linear rails, it enhances productivity and durability. The consistent success rate is ensured by solid dual linear rails and a thick T-plate, minimizing wobbling and layer lines. The Phrozen Go app allows remote control, adding a layer of convenience to this already impressive package.